letters, lines paint on walls, stuffed animals by fireside remind of glory days. But even when the evening comes to hide its crock of gold, there's no shadow to cover soul that soul. Her long lips are rosy, their taste is bittersweet, splendid dress with gold and crept as white as wedding day. But I feel that she carries hidden well behind her eyes can be seen another man she betrayed. Too late to pray, too soon to redeem, their world is heavier than sin. Too late to pray, too soon to redeem, their world is heavier than sin. Shaking fears while she tries to sleep. She keeps slowly smile with eyes that gaze at lies, hiding rotten soul with sunshine in her hair. A cruel misty morning brings pictures of the past. He's roaming through the day, which seems will never end, biding time and misery with shotgun in his hands, trying to run from dazing truth which never fades.